You don't know how to swim? I bet if you were to almost drown, it'd be loud as a motherfucker.
What the fuck? Somebody come get a bitch out the... Y'all know I don't know how to swim out this motherfucker. Somebody call the motherfucking coast. Will somebody call a lifeguard? Hell no, it's a whale under this motherfucker. I'm not playing around with you. A White Claw, what the fuck is this? Give a bitch some Hennessy, what the fuck? I drink Hennessy, bitch. Bring a bitch some motherfucking Hennessy, bitch. You know I want the Hennessy. I traded water to say that whole thing.
I gotta go, man. I'm Nate Jackson. Peace.